Hi, Brian McNichols here from touringplans.com, and I am at Disney's Art of Animation Resort to give you a tour of my room. This is what it looks like outside of my room. I'm in the Little Mermaid section, Little Mermaid pool, the Little Mermaid crane, and this room right here is mine, 9704. It is actually a king bed room, which I did not request, but I've been in 3 rooms on this trip so far, and all of them have been king bed rooms that I did not request. So I guess because when you travel alone, they're more likely to give you one. Overall, the room is cute. It's nice. It is, if you have kids that are into Little Mermaid, they will probably like it. There are a lot of little touches, like the fish on the mirror there, Sebastian and Flounder on the wall right here, this cute bubble light in the shell headboard, Prince Eric, and Dog. Blanking on Dog's name. Haven't watched Little Mermaid in a while, I guess. It's not going to be as nice as a moderate room or a deluxe room, of course. It's a value resort, and these are the most value resort-like rooms. If you stay in one of the suites, of course you're going to have more space. It's going to be bigger, although I'm not sure how upgraded the actual furnishings are. You get the value resort curtain that separates you from the bathroom here. Only one sink in a value resort, and not a ton of counter space. You don't get the under counter storage like you do at some of the deluxe or moderate resorts. Small bathroom, but fine for one person, which is probably who was going to be in there anyway. I really like the shower curtain theming in here. It's Ariel on the outside, surrounded by some of her treasure, but then when you open it, it's the rest of her treasure, which is kind of a neat touch. Something they didn't necessarily have to do, but they did. Not really much in the way of storage in here, as you would expect in a value room. There are, of course, drawers underneath the TV here, including this little input down there if you, I don't know, brought a DVD player with you, I guess, or feel like hooking your computer up to the TV. There's a little table with chairs here that has some of Ariel's music on it. It is Under the Sea in particular, and these little plastic chairs that are not super cush or anything, but at a value resort price. It is a very nice room. If you happen to have a child who loves Ariel, you could do worse. Thank you very much for watching this one. Bye.